We don't need to swap because it's already working still. Great. Now to put them in the new house. Let's see our new lights. Lovely, we've got neutral. High beam, you can't see that. Yeah. Alright, last thing to check is that the speedo actually works. Should be fine. Let's go out and take it for a spin. Maiden voyage with our new face. Don't mind that, that just happens sometimes. We've got high beam, indicators. Haven't had them for a long time now. Neutral was the second last thing to go. Indicators before that. No, neutral was the last thing. Anyway, let's get off for a ride. It's a rare, nice weather day. God, it's been too long. Now, first thing I want to check is how's that calibration. So we are getting up in the kilometers. That's great. I'm happy to see that. But it'd be good to see how off our speedo is. And there's a speed clock there, so we're going to test it against it. Now on Daisy's old clock, 50 kilometers, rather 60 kilometers would be about 52 kilometers. You know, it says 60 there, it should say about 50 for us. So we'll find a spot to turn around up here and see how we go. As well, Daisy's old mileometer, or Daisy's old odometer, read in miles. I'm gonna have to get used to that flashing orange at me. I keep thinking, oh no, I'm low on fuel. Daisy's old odometer read in miles. So the new one is kilometers, so I'm gonna have to adjust mentally to that. Oh, she's squeaky. Now, so instead of every 250 miles like it used to be, it'll be every 400 kilometers we need a bit of petrol. Or rather every 350. Anyways, let's see now. So if I stick on 60, what's the man gonna tell us here? How are we? How are we? Come on. Too fast. 54. Okay, not bad. 6 kilometers out. I'll take that, I'll take that. Let's go find some spot in the countryside to get a nice picture of the new clock. And now as well, I just need to check how the old odometer is reading, how that's calibrated, because it seems to be going up fairly fast, but I am used to I'm used to going up in miles, which would have been a bit slower. So kilometers, 1 mile, 1 kilometer is 5/8 of a mile, I think. Okay, so we're at 4 exactly now. Nice time to stop. I'll check my phone, see what our distance is to Kell's Priory, and we'll compare. Well, I know how to get there, but anyways, just for sake of argument, 12 kilometers. So by the time we get there, sing it with me, maths fans, it'll be 16 kilometers, if it's correctly calibrated, or thereabouts, you know, approximately. Now, as Daisy has been sitting in wet, she has a bit of rust on her brakes, so we gotta scrape them off too. Beautiful day. So excited for the summer. I've missed the sun. A beautiful day. Well, here we are in Kell's, a little bit more to the Priory. Now, if you want to see Kell's Priory, I did a video before going through it and over the history, so there you go. Have a look at that if it takes your fancy. It's a lovely old monastery in Kilkenny, in Kell's. Over there, you can get a fine coffee too. Okay, 1 more kilometer to go, and we'll see now. Lovely puppy. Another lovely puppy. But yeah, that's Kell's Priory. You can walk around, it's free to explore. I think it closes after 5, say, but well worth a little visit if you're in this area. And go on, watch the old video so you can see how much better or worse I've gotten since then. Okay. Still going apparently. Don't know where Google's taking us. Ah, here. Yeah. Oh my god, that is perfectly calibrated, at least according to Google, right? Look at that. Oh, she's rusty. And that's it. 16 more or less on the dot. Well done, Daisy's new speedometer. So, that's good, that works. Let me find some spot to take an Instagram post, because go follow me on Instagram. You have to show off these things. Otherwise people won't know they happened, right? That's the modern day we live in. Now on my way there, I'll tell you. Woof. Okay. Oh, I'm muddy at the back. She needs a good wash. Anyways, you might be wondering why didn't I change this clock too. I did buy the warning indicator system, which is what this whole doohickey is called. I thought it was a petrol low fuel gauge or something, but no, it's warning indicator system if you're looking for it on Hitchcocks ever. And I did buy one, I just didn't fit it today. Now, you see on mine, this is a non-ABS model. The clocks that I bought, I think, are Euro 5 Royal Enfield Bullet models, or Classic rather, and that's why the connections are slightly different. On that one they had them separated, on this one they were combined. Just slight variations between models, but more importantly about the warning indicator system, you see mine at the bottom, that lights up. That's not an ABS check light, it's just itself. But on the new one, it's an ABS check light, and I know once I fit that, I'll be getting lots of comments saying things to the effect of, hey, your ABS light is on, why don't you fix it? And if it's on, it's not because I have ABS fault. Or maybe it is because I have ABS fault, because I have no ABS on the bike. Listen. Now she's not squawking. But trust me, I'll do it soon. Get them matching. But mainly I just wanted to make sure the speedometer was working correctly. You know, we'll go into that car park and have a little picture. Yeah, go follow me on Instagram if you like. Bullet Wanderer 94. That's Bullet_Wanderer 94. Because Bullet Wanderer was taken, so was Bullet_Wanderer. So not that I'm the 94th one, but I'm born in 1994. Go down to the mill. Woof. Now, ain't that a pretty picture? Lovely. Go down this way a little. Oh, lovely. Sun is shining. Tá green exkilta na glock. The sun is splitting the rocks, as for some reason people say in Irish. Okay. Switch you off for a minute. Now, post for the gram. Generation online, says you. Hopefully that's HDR, right? Oh, there we go. That's the picture. Fitness goal. Don't mind that. I didn't actually walk that far. Okay. What is he doing? I'll be damned. Is that a Bullet 500? Or is it a Triumph? Anyway, we're getting distracted. Post. That's the ticket. Bill Withers, a lovely day. Go on. Now you can't see that, but trust me. There. Looks good, looks good. Go on. It helps not to overthink these sort of things. So let me know what you think. What do you think of this new look for Daisy? And should I swap that one? Will people be telling me in the comments your ABS light is on? Yes, they will, but what do you think? In terms of what's next for Daisy, I'm thinking of taking off this clock as, what time is it? It's 3:30, not 4:25. So taking off this clock, even though now it finally matches the main clock's face, I think I have a pilot's watch that I put it on in here in one of the videos before, and I thought it looked pretty good, even though I was running with 2 watches, timekeeping devices. But I think it'd be nice to put it there because the strap is gone on it, and just have it there. It's a bit of a vintage look. It's a leather strap. I'll figure out how to reattach it and remove some of the visual clutter here. I don't know. What do you think? These are decent. This was a decent watch until about 2 years after I had the bike. Then it started acting funny and stuff. Sometimes working, sometimes not. It is what it is. I don't know. Thanks for watching today's video. It was a bit of a weird one, but I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in the next one. Probably tomorrow. Bye. Oh, and in case you were wondering about the other 33,000 miles missing, I wrote them on a piece of sticky paper and stuck it to the speedometer. So if it's ever taken out, it's written on it 32,000 or 33,000 miles. But not that I'd ever be selling this bike anyways. But you know, good practice, says you. Also, I'm filming this part way after the fact because I forgot to on the ride out to Kell's.